Hey y'all, before you board your next flight, I want to give you all some suggestions on what to pack in your carry-on backpack. 5 different items that I never travel without. These are the kind of things that I think make a huge difference in your comfort and sanity while you're flying. So let's jump right on in. First up, an inflatable neck pillow. Now this is a lifesaver on long flights, especially if you're trying to catch some sleep and you're in economy. I like the inflatable kind because they're super compact, unlike the bulky foam pillows that take up extra space. Number 2, a blanket or some kind of travel wrap. Airplane cabins can get really cold, and those airline blankets are kind of a hit or miss. I always bring a soft, lightweight travel blanket that folds up small. Trust me, you will thank yourself when you're cozy while everyone else is shivering. Tip number 3, any kind of medications that you might need. I do not suggest packing them in your check bag. If your luggage is delayed or lost, then you could be stuck without them. I would keep things like pain relievers, motion sickness meds, or any kind of prescriptions in your carry-on backpack. Number 4, some headphones. Whether it's music or movies or podcasts, you'll want to drown out any kind of noise of the plane. Especially if you're trying to get some sleep or you're trying to get into like the sleep mode as well. It's just a good idea to have those. On top of that, you have people that like to talk. Sometimes you have people that talk loudly, and having some noise canceling headphones is just a smart idea. I prefer noise canceling ones for long flights, but even a simple pair of earbuds is better than nothing, honestly. Last, but definitely not least, is some water. Flights are dehydrating, and those tiny cups they hand out are usually never enough, at least for me. I would bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up after security, or just stop by one of the stores in the airport after you go through security. Staying hydrated will make you feel better, and it will help fight jet lag. Trust me. And I kind of have an extra one here. I know I said 5, but I have an extra one. Any kind of important documents like passports and IDs, I would keep those in the carry-on backpack as well, just in case you need to pull them out for any kind of reason. I would not put those in a check bag. I think it's just smart to have it in a place where you could just reach for it and pull it out in like a minute or so. So those are my 5 or 6 must-haves for every carry-on backpack. They're simple, but they make a world of difference when you're flying. Let me know in the comments what your go-to carry-on essentials are. And please, as I say every video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels.